Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform spaces into stories. Today, we're diving into something truly special, refreshing your farmhouse for a productive spring, with a gorgeous home office at its heart. As the season awakens, it's time to bring that fresh energy indoors. We're talking soft neutrals, natural textures, and those charming rustic touches that make farmhouse style absolutely timeless. If you're ready to fall in love with your space all over again, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Let's create magic together. Your farmhouse facade is the first impression, the warm handshake before guests even step inside. This spring, think classic white or soft gray exteriors with black-trimmed windows for that quintessential farmhouse contrast. Add a wooden porch swing or rocking chairs to invite relaxation. Consider window boxes bursting with early blooms like pansies or tulips in soft pastels. A vintage-inspired lantern flanking your door adds charm, while a simple wreath made of eucalyptus or pussy willows brings organic texture. This exterior simplicity, what designers call understated elegance, creates an authentic connection between your home and nature's awakening season. Step into your entryway, where functionality meets farmhouse charm. Install shaker-style coat hooks in weathered wood or matte black for hanging jackets and hats, keeping clutter at bay while adding architectural interest. A rustic bench with woven baskets underneath offers seating and clever shoe storage. Above it, hang a statement mirror with a distressed frame to bounce natural light and create the illusion of space. Layer a jute or sisal mat under a smaller patterned runner for textural depth. Don't forget a catch-all tray for keys and mail. This curated vignette embodies transitional design, blending practicality with beauty. Your farmhouse living room deserves a spring awakening. Start with a neutral linen sofa, think oatmeal or warm white, then layer with light cotton throw pillows in soft blues, sage greens, or butter yellows. Swap heavy winter blankets for a lightweight waffle weave throw. A reclaimed wood coffee table anchors the space with character, while a galvanized metal tray corrals remotes and coasters. Open up your windows and let sheer curtains billow gently, maximizing that precious natural light. Add a vintage wooden ladder as a blanket rack or display spot. This approach creates airy minimalism, while maintaining that cozy farmhouse soul we all adore. Transform your dining space into a celebration of spring gatherings. Center a weathered farmhouse table with a linen table runner in natural flax or pale gray. Create a simple centerpiece using a wooden dough bowl filled with faux lemons, eucalyptus stems, or fresh greenery. Mix and match dining chairs, perhaps Windsor-style wood chairs with one upholstered bench, for collected charm. Display white ironstone or stoneware on open shelving for casual elegance. Hang a statement chandelier with Edison bulbs or a wrought iron fixture for ambience. This layered approach embodies curated imperfection, where every piece tells a story while working harmoniously together. Your farmhouse kitchen craves spring's clean slate. Paint upper cabinets in soft white or cream, leaving lowers in natural wood or sage green for visual interest, a technique called two-toning. Style open shelving with everyday white dishes, vintage glassware, and small potted herbs like basil or rosemary. Swap out hardware for aged brass or matte black poles. Dress your stove area with a vintage-inspired tea kettle and wooden utensil crock. Near your coffee station, add a small cutting board leaning against the backsplash with a linen tea towel draped artfully. Tuck a farmhouse-style radio on the counter for morning ambience while you brew. Let's talk about making those necessary appliances feel intentional. Your refrigerator becomes a design element when you clear the visual clutter, remove magnets and papers. Instead, add a vintage-inspired tea towel looped through the handle. Style the top with a large woven basket holding extra linens or a simple greenery arrangement. Around your stove, keep only beautiful essentials visible. a ceramic spoon rest, wooden cutting board, and perhaps a small potted succulent. Your compact coffee machine deserves a dedicated corner with a two-tiered tray holding mugs, sugar, and a small bud vase with fresh blooms. It's about intentional display rather than random accumulation. Create the ultimate farmhouse family retreat where comfort reigns supreme. Anchor the room with a plush sectional in durable performance fabric. Charcoal or warm taupe works beautifully. Mount your flat-screen TV above a reclaimed wood console or vintage sideboard for storage and character. Flank it with simple greenery in galvanized buckets or ceramic crocks. Layer the floor with a large jute rug topped with a smaller vintage-inspired pattern for depth. Add a chunky knit poof as flexible seating. Keep cozy throws in a wire basket within reach. Install simple floating shelves displaying family photos in mismatched frames. This collected over time aesthetic feels authentically farmhouse. Now for the star of our show, your farmhouse home office. Choose a compact desk with clean lines in natural wood or painted white, sized appropriately for your space without overwhelming it. A vintage wooden chair with a simple cushion offers character and comfort for those productive hours. Position your desk near a window to maximize natural light, which designers call daylighting, proven to boost mood and focus. Add a small task lamp with an adjustable arm in matte black or brushed brass. This foundation creates what we call a functional footprint, ensuring your office works as hard as it looks beautiful. Style your workspace with thoughtful accessories that inspire productivity. A unique vintage desk clock, perhaps brass or wood, adds timeless charm while keeping you on schedule. Place a small transistor radio or retro-style speaker for background music or podcasts while you work. Use a ceramic pencil cup or vintage tin for writing tools. Add a small succulent or air plant in a simple terracotta pot for life and freshness. Keep a linen-covered notebook and quality pen within reach. A wooden or marble catch-all tray corrals paper clips and essentials. These curated pieces create deskscaping, transforming your workspace into an inspiring vignette. Maximize your home office walls with farmhouse flair. Install simple floating shelves in reclaimed wood or white-painted pine to display inspiring books, small plants, and decorative objects. Add a vintage-style bulletin board or chicken wire frame for pinning notes and inspiration. A wall-mounted mail organizer in metal or wood keeps papers tidy. Consider a pegboard painted in soft sage or gray for customizable tool storage. Hooks hold everything from scissors to headphones. Mount it above your desk for easy access. This approach embodies vertical real estate, utilizing wall space to keep surfaces clear and minds focused on the work at hand. Adjacent to your office, carve out a dreamy reading nook for those necessary mental breaks. A comfortable slip-covered armchair in natural linen or ticking striped fabric anchors the space. Add a small round side table in wood or metal to hold your coffee and current read. Layer with a soft throw blanket and 2 coordinating pillows. A floor lamp with adjustable height provides perfect task lighting for those afternoon reading sessions. Position it near a window if possible, adding a small plant on the sill. This dedicated zone practices microzoning, creating distinct purposes within open spaces for maximum functionality and enjoyment. Your farmhouse bedroom becomes a spring sanctuary with intentional simplicity. Dress your bed in crisp white or natural linen bedding, layering with a lightweight quilt in soft blue, green, or neutral tones. Add Euro pillows and standard shams for that casually elegant, unmade look. Flank the bed with simple wooden nightstands. Mismatched is perfectly charming. Top each with a ceramic lamp, small plant, and perhaps a vintage book stack. A simple wooden bench at the foot of the bed holds extra blankets and adds dimension. Keep walls soft and neutral, letting texture, not color, create interest. This embodies serene minimalism for restorative sleep. Transform your farmhouse bathroom into a refreshing retreat. Around your Wastafel or vessel sink, add a wooden tray holding hand soap in a glass dispenser, a small plant, and folded hand towels in white or soft gray. Install a vintage-inspired mirror with metal or wood framing above. In the shower area, use a simple tension rod with a white or striped linen curtain. Add a teak bath mat for organic warmth and practicality. Keep counters clear except for daily essentials in matching containers. Display rolled towels in a wire basket or wooden crate. Wall mount storage wherever possible. This spa minimalism creates calm, clean spaces for morning routines. Yes, even your garage deserves farmhouse style. Install sturdy wall-mounted shelving or a pegboard system in natural wood or painted white for tool organization. Use galvanized metal bins and vintage wooden crates to corral smaller items. Label them with simple tags for easy identification. If space allows, create a small potting station with a reclaimed wood workbench for gardening supplies and spring planting projects. Hang a vintage ladder horizontally for storing long-handled tools. Add simple hooks for bikes and outdoor gear. Keep the floor clear and swept. This utilitarian space proves that form follows function can still be beautiful and inspiring. Your farmhouse patio beckons as spring temperatures rise. Arrange comfortable seating with weather-resistant wicker or Adirondack chairs in natural wood or white. Add outdoor cushions in durable fabrics. Stripes, ticking, or soft solids work beautifully. Center the space with a simple wooden coffee table or metal side tables. String Edison bulb lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Add large potted plants, lavender, herbs, or boxwoods, in galvanized buckets or terracotta. A vintage watering can become decor. Layer with a natural fiber outdoor rug to define the space. This creates outdoor rooms, extending your farmhouse living into nature's embrace. Let's demystify the farmhouse color story for spring. Your base should always be warm whites, soft creams, and greys, what designers call your neutral foundation. Layer in one or two soft accent colors: sage green, powder blue, warm mustard, or blush pink. Use these sparingly in textiles, accessories, and small furniture pieces. Add depth with natural wood tones ranging from light pine to rich walnut. Introduce black or matte charcoal for grounding contrast in lighting, hardware, and frames. This restrained palette creates cohesive flow throughout your home, allowing each room to feel connected while maintaining its own personality and purpose. Here's the insider secret to authentic farmhouse style. Texture matters more than color. Layer rough with smooth, chunky knit throws against smooth linen, weathered wood beside sleek metal, soft cotton rugs under rustic furniture. This technique, called textural layering, adds visual interest and depth without overwhelming your neutral palette. Mix materials intentionally: ceramic, glass, metal, wood, natural fibers, and stone. Vary the finishes: matte, glossy, distressed, smooth. Touch should be as considered as sight. When you master this approach, your spaces feel collected, lived in, and authentically farmhouse rather than staged or sterile. It's design with soul. You don't need to buy everything new for your spring refresh. Shop your own home first. Move that mirror from the bedroom to the entryway. Relocate and use baskets to the bathroom for towel storage. Swap throw pillows between rooms. Paint existing furniture in soft spring colors rather than purchasing new pieces. Bring in fresh greenery from your yard. Branches, clippings, wildflowers cost nothing but add enormous impact. Rearrange furniture for better flow and fresh perspective. This sustainable styling approach is both budget-friendly and environmentally conscious. Sometimes the best transformation comes from seeing what you already have with new eyes and creative intention. Beautiful friend, we've journeyed through your entire farmhouse, breathing spring freshness into every corner while creating that perfect productive home office. Remember, farmhouse style is about simplicity, authenticity, and comfort, not perfection. Start with one room, one corner, one intentional change. Let your space evolve organically, just like spring itself. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment telling me which room you'll refresh first. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration that transforms houses into homes. Here's to your most productive, beautiful spring yet.